Hello, this is Fred Iantorno, and I'm here to invite you to help celebrate CIECA's first 25 years in a fun and exciting way. The entire collision repair and property restoration industries are invited to take CIECA's 25th anniversary video challenge. Here's how to participate. Record a short Happy Anniversary CIECA video wish, 15-20 seconds tops. In the video, state your name and company, be creative, then send that video clip to stacey@CIECA.com by July 1st of 2019. The clips will be compiled in a video that will be unveiled at the CIECA Connects conference in Charlottesville, Virginia on September 16th through the 18th. This year is going to be a really great event. In addition to top-notch speakers, networking opportunities, and the NABC Recycled Rides gifting, one of the highlights this year is a tour of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety and to their autonomous vehicle track. Register at CIECAConnects.com, that's CIECACONNEX.com. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Thank you for your support of CIECA and for your support of the CIECA standards. And now, hey collision industry, to all you repairers out there, to all you insurers, to the rental car companies, to the parts and materials providers, to the independent adjusters, to the information providers, to the OEMs, to the equipment and tool providers, and to the property restoration providers, to all of us, happy anniversary, CIECA.